somewhat more difficult numbers here, but the point is they add up to 1, and they are the posterior probability distribution for high and low given a weak test market result. Now, I don't know if you noticed when I was selecting these, but these posterior probability distributions have been given names. These are called the strong probs. They're actually the strong posterior probs, but that'd be kind of a long name, so I just called it strong probs. And these are the moderate probs, and these are the weak probs. So by having those names here, it becomes a very simple matter to set up the posterior analyses that we have to do in this case. Now, of course, this is all associated with a decision tree analysis that was also discussed on a previous demo video, and so you should sort of imagine what's going on here. This is the prior analysis using prior probabilities, showing the expected value results that we got before, where the EVPI was 60 and the maximum expected value was 120, and the optimal choice was to go with the large plant. That's for review. But now the new part is the posterior analyses, which follow the receipt of information about the market test result. So if the market test result was strong, these expected values are now going to be computed with some strong probs all the way across. Okay, we're going to use strong probs now instead of prior probs. And that gives us a new max here of 282, and this occurs with a probability 0.5, and we have optimal choice being the large plant. Now, if the test marketing turns out with a moderate demand,